friends, today I'm going to take you through one of my favorite meditations for sensitizing to energy between your hands. Whether you're new to sensing energy or you're an old hat at it, this is a practice that I consistently return to, just help bring my attention into the more subtle sensations that we might feel through the energetic body. If we haven't met before, my name is Molly Donlin. I am a crystal healer, a trauma-informed Reiki master teacher, and a yoga and meditation guide, and I'm all about demystifying these practices so that you can learn to sense and shift energy and heal on your own terms. So if that sounds like something you're into, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button and let's dive in. Now, before we get started, I do want to address the elephant in the room. It is February 5th today that I'm filming. And I am, in fact, wearing a Christmas sweater. I think it's never too early to let people know that you want crystals for Christmas. So we're just gonna bypass that for now. Okay, great. And find yourself a comfortable seat. Now, a seat could be in a chair, it could be on the floor, it could be lying down. I don't really care as long as you're comfortable. And whatever seat you've chosen, place your feet on the floor. And really sink the soles of your feet into the floor. Letting your big toe, your pinky toe, and your heel all make that contact. Really intentionally bringing your mind to these 3 points. Big toe, pinky toe, and heel. And perhaps you take a deep breath in. Open your mouth and sigh it out. Woof. Let that day go. Maybe doing that one more time, filling up. Letting it go. Great. Now start to bring your palms together. You can do this eyes open or closed. It really doesn't make a difference to me. Just bringing the palms together and keep a little space between the palms. So it's almost like you're holding like an egg or something between your hands. Start to notice the finger pads as they touch together, the base of the palm, and that space between them. See if you can get really, really curious about this space, like zoom in on it. What does it feel like? What's the temperature of the air in there? And now what happens if you get curious and you imagine between your palms this egg of light? Could be a white light, a yellow light, a green light, whatever color calls to you, just give it a color, give it a shape, and give it a texture. Is it heavy? Is it light? Notice what happens if you feel that shape start to expand. So as you do that, you add a little bit more space between the palms. Very, very slowly, the fingers start to bend to make way for the space, but the tips stay touching. The heel of the palms are still touching as you expand this shape for your egg of light. Let it feel natural as it grows, kind of like those capsules with those dinosaur sponges in it, where you put it in the water and they just slowly expand. Kind of the same vibe we're going for here. It's slow, it's subtle, but it feels natural. And perhaps as you focus on this light, you start to notice the heels of the hands start to lift away from one another as that light expands between the palms, taking up space. Keeping fingertips together for now. Maybe the thumbs release from one another. Slowly, 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 but the palms expand to make way for this light. The hands start to open. Maybe the fingers start to separate from one another. Still maintaining this connection with the weight, the texture, the feeling of that light egg between the hands. Notice how far your hands can spread away from one another while you still keep this attention. Still maintain this feeling that something is there. Keep growing this light. allowing the energy to be there, to take up space. Once you've gotten to the point where you feel like, all right, this is as big as my energy is going to get today, just pause and feel the weight of that energy between your hands. Has the color changed? Has the texture or the weight or the density changed? And then maybe you start to lift that ball of energy over your head. Let's see what happens as you hold it over your head, kind of like a water balloon. And start to bring that egg of light down over the head, feeling that water balloon pop and all that energy flowing in and around your crown. Bringing the hands down the head, down the neck, feeling that light cascading like a waterfall through the upper body. Super slowly bringing the hands down past the shoulders and the chest, maintaining that connection between the palms, feeling that light flowing in and around through the torso, down past the hips, to the legs. When your arms reach their maximum length, you can just allow that energy to drip off the fingertips, down the legs, to the feet, to the earth. Pausing with hands by your side, palms facing inwards. Just notice what you feel through the whole body. Notice what you feel between the hands, maybe a pulsing or tingling or vibration of the palms. Maybe you don't feel much at all, that's cool. This is an exploration, getting curious about what there is here. What can you notice? Take a deep breath in. And clear it out the mouth. When you're ready, you can rub the palms together a couple of times, break that connection. Open the hands up like a book and blow the energy off. And then just flick the fingers away. I hope that was helpful, and just remember that everyone senses energy differently. So if this practice didn't really light anything up for you or didn't give you any insights, that's totally okay. There are literally millions of different ways that we can practice this. So if you want to see another one, let me know in the comments. I also have 3 different energy sensing meditations in my Beginner's Crystal Crash Course. So I'll leave a link for that down below in case you want to check it out. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that big red button, and I will see you soon. Bye. Hi friends. Today, oh God, I'm out of breath. I wonder if you can hear the washer.